friends, welcome back to Fun Learn and Share. Today, let's keep on going with body system. Last video, we talked about three systems, which are immune system, digestive system, and respiratory system. Today, we're going to talk about the remaining other ones. First, let's start by the skeletal system. So, did you wonder what skeletal system helps us from? So it helps us to move and stay in shape. So, did you know, guys? Actually, in babies, when you were born, you got 300 bones. That's a lot, right? But when you are grown up, you get only 206 bones. Now, do you know what are the parts that helps us to help us stay in shape? Well, there are 4. One of them, but there are 5 actually. Bone is one of them, but it also have to include bone marrow, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Bone marrow is a soft, stretchy tissue in our bones. Tendons have to attach bones to muscle so we can move around. Ligaments attach our bones to other bones, like tendons include, and cartilage is a smooth, stretchy tissue which protects the ends of long bones. Friends, now let's talk about circulatory system. So, guys, what the circulatory system helps us? It helps us from getting materials like oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste. And it also includes blood. That's one of them. Do you know what are the parts? Well, you might know heart and blood and blood vessels. But guys, did you heard there were actually 3 systems? Cardiovascular system, which includes our heart. Pulmonary system, which includes the lungs. And the stomach system, which have arteries, veins, portal vessels. Guys, now let's talk about urinary system. So, urinary system helps us extract and pushes out the waste from the blood. Let's talk about parts. Parts are kidneys, bladder, and urethra. Do you know how the waste gets out of our bodies? So first, when you're done with the digestive system and urinary system connects together. So first, when it passes to your large intestine, it will go to the first part of the kidneys. Then the kidneys will take all that waste to the next part. Then when you're done with that, it will get out of your body, and then that's how the waste get out to your body. Now, let's talk about the endocrine system. So, endocrine system helps us to control mood, growth, and development. The way our organs have to work, like our heart gives blood all the way to our body. Stomach helping to get the food to be dissolved. All those stuff. And it also includes metabolism and other stuff. So now let's talk parts. Parts are glands which have to make hormones, hypothalamus, and the pancreas. Next, let's talk about nervous system, guys. What does nervous system helps us? So it helps us to make back to our brain, getting all the way to our body by sending messages. But guys, have you wondered where's our brain? Well, the answer is right here, somewhere around our head, here. The brain helps us to get all the messages, not other parts about our body, only the brain. So the parts are neurons which connect together to make nerves. Nerves are what connects to the brain and neurons to get all the way to our body. Brainstem is connecting our brain to our stem to the brain. The brain is what gives us messages. There are two types of systems which are central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Brain and the spinal cord make up central nervous system, and the nerves that go through the whole body make up peripheral nervous system. Now, let's talk about the muscular system. Muscular system helps us to move around. Like in our skeletal system, tendons attach our bones to muscle. That's what muscular system do. So, muscular system has three types of tissues: smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. Skeletal muscle helps us from connecting bones to other bones. Smooth is found in many walls, not like these walls here. I meant like the bladder walls and the intestine walls. Cardiac muscle of our heart. Now, let's talk about exocrine system. Exocrine system helps us to exchange inside to an outside world. So, now the parts of it is our skin, which is this thing, our nails, which are this, here, sweat glands, and glands. Oh, it's so hot today, guys, because it's summer. First, let me ask you a question. Did you know you came to be, guys? Well, let's talk about reproductive system. Reproductive system helps female or women to make more people or animals of their own kind.
Thank you for watching my channel. Give a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe with the bell button and share with your friends. Bye-bye. Love you.